Epic face swaps, Elon Musk and Cristiano Ronaldo. Stop doing this, instead try this. Using the lasso tool, select the face and copy it. Now, paste and adjust the eyes and eyebrows. For an easier way, decrease the opacity. Select the pixels of the face layer. Click on the body layer. Go to Select. Then Modify, then Contract, and contract by 10 pixels and delete. Finally, select both layers. Go to Edit, then Auto Blend Layers, and choose Panorama. There you go. Elon Musk with Ronaldo's face, looking absolutely sporty. Drop your suggestions in the comments below, and let's craft something extraordinary together.